Hi, I'm Gary Anderson, an animal and bioscience specialist with the University of Maine Cooperative Extension. And I'm here today to talk to you about estate planning. Typically, estate planning for a farm family is a general topic that includes business succession discussions, a transfer of assets, and also discussions providing for retirement. Each of these is a big topic, so I'll concentrate on an overview of the basics with this segment. I'm not a lawyer or an accountant, so make sure you go over your plans with your professional team. And here's the list of basic estate plan components. First, you really want to keep control of your assets and decisions about those assets while you're alive, if you become incapacitated, or after your death. With good estate planning, you help to maintain a viable farm business while you're providing for security in your elder years, minimizing estate taxes that you may owe, helping the next generation understand your wishes for your assets, and hopefully treating all of your heirs fairly. Lots of comments are made about getting the plan completed, but unfortunately, many people put off planning, so nothing is ever written or old plans are never updated. Features of these plans are that they give the government lots of tax revenues. It allows the state to decide how your property gets distributed. They do have a plan for you if you die without a will. It can cause lots of trouble with your heirs, causing lots of disagreements. It can keep several attorneys busy and provide them with income, and many times those plans result in estate assets being sold for the highest and best use in order to pay costs which are due fairly quickly after your death, because most people are asset rich and cash poor. So we call those gonna do something plans, but unfortunately they don't provide for a desired or orderly transfer of assets the way you desire. Now, what are the steps that are involved in succession planning? What do you want to see happen? First of all, review your current situation and take an inventory of your farm and family assets, including all deeds. Sit down with your spouse and list key objectives of what you want to do. Talk with family members and identify personal and family goals and needs. Are there sentimental items that you own that specific people in your family would like heirloom pictures, a specific carving set, your grandmother's favorite pie plate, those things that have sentimental value rather than monetary value? Are there special family considerations? So do you have family members that need special care after you're gone? Or are there family members that you want to give assets to, but they're not the best money managers, and you want to provide a way that they can still have access to those assets, but have a person help them manage those funds? Consult with experts to understand and evaluate tools and options. Work with your attorney to draw up plans and review them as needed. Don't hesitate to set those plans in motion. In short, we want to make sure that we plan for the worst and hope for the best. So what are the components of a basic estate plan? Wills for each spouse, possibly trusts can be included in that planning, beneficiary designations on various documents, a health care directive, durable powers of attorney for both health care and property, and marital property agreements. After the plan is written, make sure that you sign the papers to make sure that they're enabled. Review that plan regularly and check your papers and beneficiaries after major life events such as births, marriages, deaths, divorce, or disability. With good planning, you can feel confident with your estate plan. Thank you.